Good evening, students. Today we will learn comparison of two fractions by LCM method. Yesterday we have learned comparison by cross multiplication method. In cross multiplication we have cross multiplied. So in LCM method, as per the name, LCM word is there, so we will find the LCM. LCM of what? LCM of denominator. So this question I am solving, question number 2, 7 upon 2 and 5 upon 3. 2 and 3, we will find the LCM of the denominator. So this is the procedure of finding LCM. So 2 and 3 divided by 2, then divided by 3, and answer is 2 into 3. This is the procedure of finding LCM. If you don't know, you can see class 5th book. So this is the LCM is 6. Now what is the procedure you see? LCM will be divided by denominator of this first fraction. I am taking this first fraction 7 upon 2. Its LCM will be divided by denominator. This is 3. And by this 3 we will multiply the whole fraction. Means we will multiply up and down by 3 and 3. So 7 3 is 21, 2 3 is 6. So this is the new fraction. Instead of this, means this is the equivalent fraction we can say. 7 upon 2 is multiplied by 3 upon 3, means this is the equivalent fraction. This is the property of equivalent fraction. This comes under 7 3 is 21, 2 3 is 6. Now next 5 upon 3, this is another fraction, 5 upon 3. Same procedure here. LCM will be divided by its denominator. Its denominator is 3. So LCM is 6 divided by 3, 2. Means this will be multiplied by 2. So 5 upon 3 will be multiplied by 2 by 2, means 5 2 is 10, 3 2 is 6. Achha, why we are doing this procedure? We have reason. Because this you can see, now you compare these two, 21 upon 6 and 10 upon 6. This shows the, as I have told in fraction, denominator shows the cutting part and this shows the eating part. So both are now same denominator, so we can compare now. Means this person is eating 21 pieces. Out means each cake is cutting in 6 pieces. Here also 6 pieces cutting. Here we are eating 21 pieces and here we are eating 10 pieces. So who is eating more? Obviously this is eating more. So the main concept for finding this procedure is LCM finding and multiplying by this. This procedure is to make the denominator same. Why we are doing this LCM procedure and this process? Why we are doing? To make the denominator same. And when the denominators are same, then we can compare any two fractions. Always remember, two fractions we cannot compare. Where if their denominators will be different, then we cannot compare. So this entire procedure is to make the denominator same. And when the denominators are same, now we can easily compare. This is bigger. So first fraction 7 upon 2 is bigger than 5 upon 3. So this is the procedure for comparing two quantities by LCM method. Yesterday we have learned comparison of two quantity by cross multiplication method. So that is also method. This is a second method. So all question of question 2 is your homework. So question number 2, all parts you solve by this procedure. Okay.